We're sparking participation and real-world experiences in STEM through SPARX. SPARX is a NASA program that provides exciting ways to engage your students in STEM learning. You'll be giving your students the opportunity to work with NASA on real-world projects and providing them with hands-on experience in science, technology, engineering, and math.
I never really knew much about NASA until I started the NASA SPARX program with my fourth graders last year during the pilot program. And so as an educator, I felt like I was learning alongside with them, and that kind of helped me see the program through their eyes, through the eyes of a fourth grader.
It was really neat to see how the students really took to space exploration. There were things that students didn't know, there were things I didn't even know that I learned more about, from the moon to the moon phases, and most importantly, how it all connected to STEM.
Enjoy hands-on, standards-aligned activities for K-12 students that engage, intrigue, and ignite creativity and excitement, all while developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills that will benefit them for years to come.
I think my students really had fun collaborating, working on making craters, creating rockets, comets, running the comets around the pod hallway. They had so much fun. It was so engaging.
It was a tremendous learning opportunity for the students. They were able to solve a real-life problem with their skills for the first time.
Just getting those aha moments out of the kids, as an educator, that's what we strive for.
Through SPARX, your students will have the opportunity to connect with NASA experts through live virtual connections.
The students were super interested in how the Artemis program was going to take off, and how astronauts were going to travel to the moon and make it back, and how space exploration was going to take place to get to Mars.
As an educator, you'll get direct support from NASA education specialists and have access to professional development opportunities and an online community of practice for additional support.
We were lucky enough to sign up for the NASA SPARX program, and I was able to integrate it with our curriculum and standards that we use this year. This program offered students to ask questions and to have fun through hands-on learning.
If you're ready to spark STEM excitement using real-life examples and inspire students to consider careers in STEM fields, all while getting direct support from NASA education specialists and educators like you, check out the NASA SPARX program. Email sparx@mail.nasa.gov to sign up or to learn more.